Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to show you how to draw the new Pokemon, Wigglet. So Wigglet was announced just the other day, and he seems pretty cute, so I figured I'd show you guys how to draw him. So to start drawing Wigglet, let's start with the nose. Just the shape of an oval. Next we can do two other ovals, but these ones are going to be smaller and they're going to be tilted. So these are going to be the eyes, and we can do a little circle in there and color the rest in black. And do another eye. Alright, so the next thing, we're going to do the shape of the body. So I'm coming up here by the nose and curving. And down here underneath the nose, we're going to go this way. Now right here, we can start coming downward. And I'm going to make it so that he's poking up pretty far. He's not always this far up, I don't think. And we can just keep drawing this line downward. Now, I apologize if you can hear any of the crows outside my window. It's really warm here today, so I've got the window open. And some of the birds are kind of loud. Alright, so I'm gonna start drawing the bit of ground that Wigglet seems to be coming out of. So I'm going to make some bumpy looking lines here. And right here, it's like we're coming down a little hill. And same on the other side. And then more squiggly line going on. And I'm just going to put in some more little bumpy line bits. You don't have to do this if you don't want to, but I figured I would. Alright, so that is actually it. That is Wigglet. So I think he's pretty easy to draw. And I'm going to get started now with some coloring. All right, everyone, we're finished our drawing. Thank you so very much for drawing with me today. And let me know in the comments below what you would like to learn how to draw in the future. And also, if you're new here, it would be great if you would subscribe and stick around. So I hope you all have the very best day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. All right, everyone, goodbye.